All right, answer me something, Jamaicans. Do y'all talk backwards? Yes or no? So why when I call your house, y'all be like, hello, good night? I'll be like, I know this bitch ain't just hang up on me. The fuck she say good night? My boy Jamaican, I know these niggas talk backwards. We in the store buying shoes. I'm showing them the shoes. I said, Trevor, look, these sneakers is brand new. That's his name. I said, Trevor, these sneakers is brand new. He gonna go, yeah, these are no brand. I was like, fuck it, he bought the weed. You know, but the shit that made me realize Jamaican niggas talk backwards for real was when we was sitting in the car and they was playing this song, China. I was like, nah, you know China? So I said, rewind driver, you know. And he gonna look at the nigga driving and go, yeah, forward it back. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all tonight. I never said this one here, but this is a true story. You know what I learned about all West Indians? That y'all don't know each other's name at work. Like black and Spanish people, we know everybody at the job. I don't give a fuck if we keep the job for a week. We know every nigga at that job. The first day you get the job, you introduce yourself. You get there, you like, hey, I'm like, hey, I'm Rashid. Hey, Rashid, I'm Dave. Dave, nice to meet you. I'm Rashid. I'm Charles. Charles, my pleasure. I'm Rashid. I'm John. John, nice to meet you. West Indian. Y'all niggas call each other by the name of the job you do. Fellas, you ever work construction? You ever hear this shit? Carpenter. Call an electrician and tell him to plumb my loaf right here. The guy at the job can die. The West Indian dude don't even know who died. You get to work the next day, your man John be like, Dave died. You like, Dave died? How the fuck Dave died? He said when y'all left, he was working on the window. He fell out the window. The police, the media, everybody was here. You can't believe this shit. You like, what? You tell a Jamaican dude, you like, Winston, Dave dead. He keep on working. No, I'm sorry, I don't know no Dave. You like, nigga, Dave. Dave, that work with you every fucking day. Dave, fuck is you saying? He fell out the fucking window and died. You gonna fucking say you don't know Dave? What's wrong with you? This nigga keep right on working. Really? That's fucked up, you know. Nigga, that's all you gonna say is that's fucked up, stupid idiot. Dave, your partner, the carpenter. Bombaclad! Carpenter dead! How the carpenter dead? You never say carpenter dead? You said deal. I don't know no deal. Carpenter me know. Can't go to work today on my own. Carpenter dead. Well, she said deal. I don't know no deal. Then the Jamaicans say some funny shit. They say some shit like, my heart hurting. My heart hurting me, you know. Your heart. Then they put the H where it don't belong. Yes, inside my body. My heart hurting.